Hi everyone, welcome back. Today sharing a very popular and a most delicious dessert drink that's almost everyone's favorite, and that's Falooda ice cream. So let's learn how to make Falooda ice cream at home with fresh fruits and nuts, and also learn how to make homemade Falooda Sev. Hope you like it. Keep watching. To begin with, we need to first soak the Sabja seeds, which is also known as sweet basil seeds. Here I have taken around 2 tablespoons of Sabja seeds and add sufficient water and allow it to soak for 20 to 30 minutes. After some time it will turn into a translucent pearl shape. Meanwhile, let's prepare Falooda Vermicelli or Sev at home. For that, take around 1 cup of cornflour and then add 1 cup of water to it. Now mix it and dissolve the mixture completely. There shouldn't be any lumps. Once it's dissolved, add in around 1.5 cup of water and then mix well again. The measurement is very simple. For every 1 cup of corn flour, you need to add around 2.5 cup of water. Now let's cook the mixture. For that, preheat a pan on a very low flame and then pour in the mixture. Now keep stirring constantly till the mixture turns transparent, glossy and thick. As you can see, the mixture has started thickening and soon it will turn transparent. Do not leave it unattended at this stage and keep stirring constantly. Now keep stirring for another 1 minute and that's it. We need to immediately spoon the hot mixture into a safe press. I am using the very small hole mold. And the mixture is too hot, so do wear gloves or a cloth to hold the mixture. Now pour the hot mixture into the Sev maker. Now the mixtures are filled, so cover it and then we'll start pressing. So before pressing, into a bowl add in ice cubes and then add little water. And then we're gonna press the hot cornflour mixture through the Sev maker into this chilled water, and soon you will see a thin strands of noodles or Sev will start coming out. This is how the perfect Falooda Sev is made. Now we need to immerse these noodles into the chilled water. The reason of pressing in the cold water is the vermicelli or the Sev won't stick to each other and it also prevents lumps. Now our Falooda Sev is completely ready. So strain the Falooda and transfer it to a bowl. Now to make it sweeter, I am adding a sugar syrup. For that, just adding 2 teaspoons of sugar and 2 teaspoons of water. Mix it well and then add it to the Sev. And a sweet Falooda Sev is ready. Isn't it very easy to make? Now let's move on. As I said, I love to add fresh fruits into my Falooda. So here I have taken chopped kiwi, plums, apples, grapes, strawberry, banana, and I'm also going to use chopped cashews and pistachos along with some Tuti Fruitis, which is easily available in the market. You can also prepare it at home. Here I am using condensed milk as I had it at home. You may also use homemade rabdi. Please check my link of Rasmalai recipe to see how to make homemade rabdi at home. And then some honey for garnishing, and also using homemade ice cream and Rohafza. And the final 2 ingredients, that's the homemade Falooda Sev and the soaked Sabja, which has turned translucent now, as you can see. Now let's move on in layering the Falooda. Into a big glass, pour in the Rohafza and then add in a spoonful of Sabja seeds. Spread it well and then pour in the Falooda Sev. And then we're gonna start layering it with the fruits. You may layer the Falooda as per your preference. This is how my family loves, so sharing it with you. So layer it with the fruits. You can add any fruits of your choice. These are my favorites, so adding it so. Once the fruits are added, add in the cashews and pistachios along with the Tuti Fruiti. Then layer it again with Sabja seeds and then homemade sevaya. And now add in the condensed milk. As I said, you can also add homemade rabdi and then layer it again with mixed fruits and nuts. This layered drink is a very healthy and a delicious dessert. Once all the mixed fruits and nuts are added, we're going to finally scoop it with an ice cream. Here I'm using my homemade ice cream. You can see the link shared below. And then going to drizzle with little honey and then with little Rohafza. You can garnish this dessert drink with the remaining fruits and nuts you have. And that's it. Our beautiful dessert drink is ready. And finally, I would like to layer it with another scoop of ice cream just before serving. And then top it up with some Tuti Fruiti, dry fruits, drizzle little honey and then Rohafza. And that's it. Our beautifully layered dessert drink is absolutely ready. This dessert not only keeps you full, it's also a wonderful coolant to your body. Making Falooda is very easy now. All you need is to have a couple of ingredients ready at home and then you're good to go. It's a dessert that's hugely loved by everyone. Do try this on any special occasion and it will stand out to be one of the iconic dessert drink. Hope you like this wonderful dessert. If so, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so and also like and share it. Soon we'll be coming up with another interesting recipe. Until then, take care of yourself. Happy cooking. Bye-bye.